this is page 1. We have to fold it into half. Then we have to unfold it, and again from down we have to fold it upwards. Fold it tightly so that the markings will be visible. Now unfold them from this side, fold it into half. Now, without unfolding it from our side, fold it into middle. Again, continuing the same sequence, do it from another side. Again, do it from another side into the center. Now, here, after the last folding, from the left side, we have to fold it into half to make a triangle shape. Now reverse it and unfold this folding. Now from the downwards, fold it towards upward, up. Make it equal from this side and to your right side. Only fold till half only on your right. Now slowly unfold everything. Now from your right side, hold the edge and keep it towards the opponent. Marking from there, see if it is equal or not. And from your right side, fold only the last triangle which is to your right. Now unfold it again, do it from the other side. So fold only the rightmost triangle of your right side. Unfold it. Continue the sequence for the 4 sides. Now unfold it and do it on the last side. Now unfold everything. Now fold the same again, but not to the topmost, only till here, after one box from your opponent's side. So here also the same condition. We have to only fold the rightmost triangle. Continue the sequence for 4 sides. Make sure that the foldings are made very hard so they can be visible while folding them. So on page 1, we got these foldings. So now here we have foldings in each and every box, but for only 6 of these boxes we don't have foldings. So those are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So these are the sides of that cube we are going to do. So all these boxes which have foldings, it will be easy for you if you mark them and to do. So we will mark the one having foldings like F1, F2. F means foldings. So with that we can mark them easily. F4, foldings will be till F1 to F10 and F5, F6, F7, S3, S4, S5, S6, F8, F9 and F10. So this will be easy for you to recognize the boxes. So now reverse and turn to page 2. Now here hold F4 and F5 means folding F5, F4 and F5. Fold them and make like a box-like shape. Fold them and keep like a cone shape and attach to this side, not to our side. So make it as we could do, we can see F1, F2, S1 and S2 on the upward. So now fold F2 and make it as so if we do that, we could only see S1 and S2 on the top, side 1 and side 2. Now open this and we can see F3 in here. So we have to fold this F3 so that we could see only F folding 2. Now close it back again. Now turn this side. We can see F7, F8, S3, S6. Now fold F7 so that we can sharp S1. So now we got this sharp and we have side 1 here and F1 is sharp. So side 3. Now coming to this side, we have side 4 and folding 9. Now holding this tightly, press F9, folding 9 so that this F10 will be sharp and F6 will come there. So now we have to we get some 3 triangles. Here we'll have double triangles, so we'll tuck into one each other. Now starting with the triangle near side 6, we will tuck this into this gap given here. Now we will tuck the folding 10s triangle into this gap given below. Tuck those triangles in the space where you find near it and where you could able to do. Now again we will tuck this into near side 5. So our cube is ready. So as we marked, this is side 1, side 2, side 3 and side 4, side 5, side 6. So the sides we have got which are not folded anywhere, and the squares which are folded and we marked them as folding 1 to 10, they are inside this cube space which is present inside. So we have all kept that part inside and folded them towards inside. So now we have only 6 sides of a cube. Now our cube is ready.